Hi everyone, today we're going to walk through how to perform a one-sample t-test using the statistical software Jamovi. This is a fundamental test used to compare a sample mean to a known value. Here's our agenda for this presentation. First, we'll introduce what a one-sample t-test is. Then we'll define a problem statement to give us a real-world context. After that, we'll go through the practical steps of running the test in Jamovi. Finally, we'll learn how to interpret the results it gives us. What is one sample t-test? Understanding the significance of mean differences in statistics. A one-sample t-test is a statistical test used to check if the average or mean of a sample is significantly different from a known or hypothesized value. Let's understand what this test does. A one-sample t-test answers a simple question. Is my sample average different from a specific value I'm comparing it to? We compare two numbers, the known value we're testing against and the average from our sample data. The formula shows how different these two numbers are relative to the variation in our data. The result tells us if this difference is meaningful or just due to chance.
Statement of the problem. Is the average score of the students significantly different from 75? So here's our problem. A teacher wants to check if her class performed differently from the expected average score of 75. We'll use Jamovi to test if there is a significant difference. Data set of 50 students and their scores. These are the scores of 50 students. Each student has one score out of 100. We will use this data to test if their mean score is different from 75. The student column is just for identification. The only column we need for the t-test is the score column.
Steps in performing one sample t-test using Jamovi. First, open Jamovi. Make sure your data is entered correctly. Click the column name Score and check that it is set to scale. Ito yung ruler sa may gilid, which means it is numerical or continuous.
Step 2. Run the one sample t-test. Go to Analysis, to t-test, and to one sample t.